Given period 60 milliseconds, determine how long it will take the sinusoidal waveform to pass through an angle of 120 degrees. First, we have to write everything what is given. Period is equal 60 milliseconds. Theta is equal 120 degrees. We're supposed to find the time. You're supposed to realize that omega t is equal the angle. Why? Because omega is measured in radians per second times the time, which is measured in seconds. Second and second will cancel out. You'll get radian. That's why we say omega t is equal theta. But this angle is expressed in radians. This one is expressed in degrees. So what I'm supposed to do next? I'm supposed to convert 120 degrees to radians. What I'm going to do right now? Simply write the formula. Radians are equal pi over 180 degrees times degrees. This is the general formula, and simply plug in the value. 120 degrees (180) and 120. Both of them are divisible by 60. So I'm going to get 120 divided by 60 is 2 pi over 3 radians. So I convert my theta to radians. Next I have to find t. So what I'm going to do, let me copy this down, omega t is equal theta. I have to find t. In order to find t, I have to eliminate multiplication. That's why I have to divide both sides equation by omega. Omega and omega will cancel out. T is equal theta over omega. Omega is 2 pi f. Frequency, we said, is equal 1 over t. That's why I'm going to write 2 pi 1 over t. Instead of frequency, I'm going to write 1 over t. This is equal 2 pi over t. In this case, this is going to be equal 2 pi over my period, which is equal 60 milliseconds. 2 and 60, both of them are divisible by 2. I can reduce this fraction by 2. Omega is equal pi over 30 milliseconds. Next, I have to plug in everything into my formula for t. Theta is equal 2 pi over 3. Omega is equal pi over 30 milliseconds. Now we have to divide fractions. Anytime we divide fractions, we have to copy first fraction down and multiply everything by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So I have 30 milliseconds over pi. Pi and pi will cancel out. 3 and 30, both of them are divisible by 3. That's why I'm going to have 2 over 1 times 10 milliseconds over 1. This is equal 2 times 10 milliseconds divided by 1 is equal 20 milliseconds. It will take 20 milliseconds for this sine wave to reach angle of 120 degrees. So this is the solution to this problem.